Man. Alright, me will call you back soon as the rest of staff reach you. Alright? Alright, get a bit. Love you too. Alright, what is up people over here to Boston? And yeah, let's get this started. Oh, they start name them now. So you have a people name them now. That's Search Chef Loot Lake or Frosty Flies. Alright, let's go. What's up with this? Alright. Alright, finally one of them look like it a show. And I guess it's a better say black screen. Oh. Alright. No black screen. Alright, so I'm supposed to go a Lucky Landing and some other place. Hey Brianna, what's up? Welcome to the stream. Trying to stream early, you know, just trying to, if I can get some time before I actually start working. But as you can see, man's lagging like crazy. Well, that's completed. Visit our local search shell now, deal damage with grenade. Search just loot like Frosty Flight. I could probably go to Frosty. Oh, it's 4:21. Alright, it's 7:21 right now where I am. Where you from, Brie? I'm from Jamaica. You probably realize it's like plastered all over. I don't think I'm gonna be on for too long though. Why did I do that? Still messed up the pistol arts. Alright, I'll keep that just in case. Alright, so we're dropping that. What are we looking for? AR, need an AR. And I asked, and it was given. I was asleep, but I can't sleep. But I live in Las Vegas. Oh, nice! City that never sleeps. I've never been to Vegas. Very much like to go though. Maybe sometime. Maybe in, who knows? All right, when I get when I get to 100,000 subscribers, I'll go to Las Vegas, and I'll find you specifically. Give me a sec. Alright, cool. Alright, where was I? Editing, right. Am I lagging this bad? I can't jump. Oh snap. Drop the wrong gun. Oh my god. Used to be an NPC. Oh, you're 19, nice. I'm 26. I'm gonna be 27. The 10th of July. So, kind of an old man right now. Yep, this is people is all died to the stuff. No, it's right there. No, it's right there. GG. Oh god, it's right freaking there, yo.